decline over the past few months because of insecurity relating to the vlogs. One of the reasons is I don't know how to speak to the camera anymore. Before, I had no problem talking in front of the camera, but now I'm confused if I should speak in English or in my local language, the Cebuano. Di ko sigurado kay every time I speak in English in front of the camera, people are watching. People suddenly watch, and then I'm not that insecure before. I really did not care. So karon galibog ko, and then I'm very lazy if I should put some subtitles here. 2 days ago, we attended the Fluvial Parade 2019, and unfortunately, the boat we were in did not give us a good vantage point of the entire Fluvial Parade. In fact, we did not see Santo Niño up close or even anywhere near. So, since I did not get any good footage from that day, I'm gonna insert a drone shot, an aerial view of the Fluvial Parade, but from last year, taken from the video of a YouTuber, Cebuano YouTuber, Mr. Peter Luwadi. I'm gonna link him here. Sinulog! Yesterday we celebrated Sinulog, the biggest and grandest festivity here in the Philippines. We walked in the middle of thousands and thousands of people in order to get the perfect spot, and we were just at the side of the road watching them, watching the dancers, the street dancers. Get a good spot in front of the University of San Carlos Boys School, or North Campus, and we stayed there for about an hour and a half when it started to rain. Phone sang gamit kay it's raining. Dili waterproof akong cam. Kusog pagayo ang ulan. Yee! Kusog kayo! Kusog kayo! Kung papiliyon mi, if ulan kayo or init kayo. Ulan kayo. Init kayo.
Ako ulan.
Ay ganag ulan.
Sorry.
Mabasa akong bag. That was the longest Sinulog I've spent ever. We started at 9 and then ended at around 6 in the evening. And next year, we plan to be at the center of the festivity. So we will try to get some passes to join a contest, photo contest or whatever, just to be in the middle of the program together with the dancers. So, see you on the next vlog. Maybe next month? I don't know yet. Laters!